Ask Tom on Home Show.
Alfred from Sealy, Texas has a question about cosmetic concerns.
Well, he found this on his house, Tom, this kind of attention to detail on this, and he's concerned about it. He says, I understand home builders sometimes cut these kinds of corners, but how can I make this look better and keep critters and other elements out of the house? Does he have that much of a concern with that, Tom?
First off, that's the way the detail is supposed to look. It's supposed to be up from between a 3/4 to an inch off of the decking, so the water runs clean. So that's exactly how it looks. Now, I can look at that and say he needs a paint job, so I would certainly give it a paint job. He also, when you look at the valley there, he's got a California cut or a closed cut valley, which means the roof is coming down onto the decking. The other one's coming over the top, and they have a straight cut on there. So it's done exactly how it's supposed to.
You're talking about that part where the shingle's kind of standing out on its own. There's like a gap underneath.
Yeah,
it
you get that little gap there. Yeah, that's exactly how they look. So you don't want to mess with that. Now, if you have an issue with rodents and you get a good exterminator come in, what they'll do is they'll take a product called hardware cloth, and I've had it done to my house. And they'll get up there and they'll put that hardware cloth up behind that fascia board and wrap it to where the rats or the mice can't get through it. So you don't really see it, but if you have an issue where critters can get in there, and you can stick your finger in there and see if they can actually get through, you can have that detailed with a good company that takes care of rodents and pest control company is what I'm looking for. So that's a detail that is done lots of times when people have those kind of issues. But that just needs a little paint to make it look good. That is done right.
All right. Well, when it's right, and Tom will tell you. So you want answers to your questions, go to HomeShowRadio.com, click on Ask Tom. He'll tell you. If it's right, it's right. And if it's wrong,
it's true.
He'll tell you. He'll tell you in words that you will understand clearly. That's his gift. And you'll find, and by the way, attach pictures like Alfred did. It really helps us. It helps us do a better job for you. And we appreciate when you do. And then when we get your questions, we'll post it. We post a new one every day at our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, the Home Show Radio YouTube channel, if you're going to search for it. And you can search Tom Tynan too. That'll bring us up as well on YouTube. Or go to HomeShowRadio.com.